If you are wondering if Redmi Watch 6 is waterproof or if it has any IP rating or something like that, then the answer is to some degree yes, the smartwatch is waterproof. It has a 5 ATM water rating, which means that the smartwatch can withstand static water pressure equal to 50 meters or 164 feet depth. And this also means that it is safe for light surface swimming, rain, hand washing, and stuff like that. So usually you can wash your hands, for example, with the smartwatch on your wrist. During the rain or heavy splashes, the watch should be safe as well. If you have like a shallow water pool, or if you swim at the beach or something, then you might be able to use it as well. However, it is not suitable, for example, for hot showers, saunas, or hot springs. Scuba diving, of course, won't work, or deep water jumping, stuff like that. Water skiing, jet skiing, or surfing is not really recommended to have the watch while performing these activities. And of course, it's always safer to avoid keeping the watch close to water, just to be safe, of course. Even though it has 5 ATM rating, of course, there's always a small degree risk that sometimes that something might happen to the watch if it's in contact with water for too long. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.